In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a project in Supabase. Now, the first thing you want to do once you are on your Supabase dashboard, you want to go ahead and you can see all your projects over here. Just click on the one you would like to delete. So for example, I'm going to delete this one over here, which was just a tutorial. And then you want to go to the left-hand side over here, down to the very bottom where it says Project Settings, and click on that. In here, you want to scroll down under General to the very bottom until you see a button over here which says Delete Project. Now, simply click on Delete Project, and then here you have to type in the project name. So again, you want to make sure you actually know it. So for me, it's going to be just a calculator. I'm going to copy it. There we go. Delete Project. I'm going to paste it in here. And then if you are very sure you want to do that, click on I understand, delete this project, and then your project is going to get deleted right away, just like this. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.